The law requires that all electrical outlets near water intakes, bathrooms, garage, and outdoors keep a GFCI. The purpose of these plugs is to prevent short circuits caused by defective or old appliances or old cable or extensions. Identify each GFCI outlet for its test button on the bottom of the connection. These outlets will be found in the kitchen, the bathrooms, and the garage. Press the reset button if the connection does not have electricity to re-establish service. The GFCI outlets are more sensitive to non-GFCI outlets. It is not recommended to connect refrigerators or freezers on a GFCI outlet. Garbage disposals are permanently lubricated and cleaned automatically. They require no maintenance. If your garbage disposal does not respond to the switch or gets stuck, unplug the shredder for a minute, remove the material or waste that is causing the problem, reconnect the crusher, and then press the reset button on the bottom of the disposer. If after following these steps your garbage disposal is still stuck or the reset button does not respond, you should use an Allen wrench to loosen the motor. It is very important to always unplug the shredder when you try to reach some objects or get stuck in it. The keys of hot and cold water valves can completely cut off the water supply in the kitchen, bathrooms, and laundry. These valves are underneath of your bathroom sinks, the kitchen sink, and on the laundry wall and in the back of your toilet. If you're in a situation in which it is necessary to cut the water off, look for these valves in the bottom of your sinks. Before using your dishwasher, your dishes or utensils must be moistened first. If you find water in your dishwasher, do not worry, it's normal. It is important that you check the door before operating the dishwasher, as the vapors emitted by the machine could damage your countertop. If you notice that the door seals do not close properly, call our maintenance department at Camden Homes. Your house has an exhaust fan that usually comes bundled with your microwave. This extractor is at the bottom of the microwave. The main objective is to catch the grease when cooking in the kitchen, and it is normal for the fanning air at the top part to happen when it is on. Remember that the exhaust does not have a direct pipeline to get the air out of the house. The purpose of the exhaust air is to trap the grease the food gives off. It is important to check the air filter at least once every 30 days. If found dirty or grease residue, remove it and wash it with hot water and a plastic brush. Most stoves have a system for easy cleaning and maintenance. The upper deck and the dishes are movable for easy maintenance. We recommend not putting in aluminum foil in your kitchen burners for the reason that this can cause an electrical short and permanent damage to your stove. Your stove is equipped with anti-tipping system to prevent accidents that may be caused when you lean or place heavy objects on the door. The oven has a safety valve to release the heat and pressure that can be generated wind power. We recommend not to obstruct and inspect the exhaust to prevent serious damage. Your house is equipped with a water supply valve for the refrigerator. In an emergency, or if you need to cut the water supply off, find the valve in the back. Your house is equipped with a water heater and controls with high sensibility. You can regulate the temperature of your water heater to the level that you want. If the water heater is not heating up, check the reset button. It is important that you drain the water periodically. This will lengthen the life of your heater. If the water heater makes some kind of noise or it appears that there is not enough hot water, it is time to clean the tank. In case of overheating, the water heater has a safety valve, which is activated when there is high pressure in the heater, and this is to release the pressure in water to prevent flooding. The valve has its own drainage system, which displays the water out of the house for comfort. The garage doors are guaranteed against manufacturer defects and installation. The warranty is void if altered or any unauthorized technician makes repairs or modifications to the door. Your garage is already pre-wired to install an automatic system to open and close it. Consult a technician from Camden Homes for more information. The electrical system of this house was designed, inspected, and approved according to state specifications of the city or county where you live. Your laundry room already has the necessary connections to connect your washer and dryer. We recommend checking and cleaning the exhaust air duct. The constant use of the dryer can release particles such as lint and block the exhaust. For better ventilation, your laundry room is equipped with an exhaust fan. Your new home comes with smoke detectors which are continuously monitoring the air inside your home. These detectors are already pre-configured and will activate an alarm when the dark smoke reaches 2% of cubic feet, a condition that exceeds most household activities. Approximately 70% of the energy consumption of your home is your air conditioning unit. For that reason is why Camden Homes only installs certified low energy units. It is important to change the air filters every 6 months. This balances the flow of air flowing through the rooms. Do not turn off your system for long periods in extreme temperatures. Whether hot or cold, this could damage some components in your home. Your air conditioning unit under normal operating conditions cannot reduce or maintain temperatures above 20 degrees outside temperature difference. The thermostat has been manufactured and calibrated to withstand any temperature. These thermostats are maintenance-free. If you believe that your thermostat is not working properly, call a certified technician for a professional diagnosis. Condensation may occur in the ducts inside your house when the air conditioner is in operation. Your unit has a drainage system that drains water generated by the condensation drainage system in your home. Your air conditioning unit is equipped with a system called heat pump, which generates hot air right through the same air conditioning system. In case your heat pump is not blowing hot air, you can use the backup option called emergency pump. This will act the same way and generate hot air. Consult a certified technician if you have a problem with your heat pump. We have a doorbell installed in your home. Your doorbell transformer is located in the attic. We recommend not to make additional modifications to the structure of your attic searching for more space. You should exercise extreme caution when entering and walking into the penthouse, as it could be dangerous because there are cable and air conditioning ducts that could be damaged. Most of the penthouse is covered by insulation. Be careful when storing or placing objects. Make sure they are placed on solid wood. It is possible that it could fall directly on this sheetrock and it could break the ceiling of your house. You will find pieces of vinyl, tile, or carpet in your attic for future repairs. When the temperature is below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it is very important that the water hose are disconnected. Generally, your sewer service is provided by the same company that provides you with water service in your area. The main drain of your house passes right through a direct line to the drain of the street most of the time. If there are drainage problems within your home, you can use these axes in the front of your garden to insert an extension and clean the drainage system. If the problem persists, it is the responsibility of the water company to resolve it. The water meter is located in the front of your house most of the time. In case of an emergency or repair, you can cut the water supply to the entire house. The walls of brick and stone can be adjusted according to conditions of heat, thermal, and movement of the foundation to prevent cracks on the surface. Expansion joints in the partition walls are installed to a maximum of 25 inches apart to allow movements on the wall. These meetings are usually of a flexible material such as silicone. On the outside of your home, you find these small openings. These were left intentionally to allow the water in between or among your walls so they can go out or evaporate. Please keep gutters clean. Do not remove bottom extensions that are also known as elbow. Proper maintenance, fluids, and water outside of your property is perhaps the most important part you have to do to protect the foundation of your home. If you find standing water, plumbing leaks, or damp areas detected, you should correct them immediately, since excess water near your foundations can affect and generate movement in it. In the summer, when temperatures are very high, it is advisable to water your foundation at least 3 times a week to prevent the cracks in the ground and to avoid them affecting the balance of its foundation. It is important that you as a homeowner perform regular maintenance, applying silicone around windows that require it, keep properly hydrated foundation of your house, grass, and trees, change the air filter on your air condition, and maintain separate drainage of the foundation of your house. Failure to comply with these conditions of maintenance can result in serious problems and can also void the home warranty.